iOS 26 looks beautiful, but not everyone likes this new liquid glass effect. If your iPhone feels too shiny, too transparent, or just distracting, here's how to completely turn it off. Right now, I'm in the app library. And if you look at the search bar, you can clearly see that glassy transparent effect. By the end of this video, this will be completely gone. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to iOS 26.4. Some of these options don't exist in older versions, so this step is important. Now, go to the settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then go to Display and Text Size. Scroll down until you find Reduce Bright Effects and turn it on. This reduces strong highlights and glowing effects when you interact with buttons, keyboards, and UI elements, which helps tone down that glassy look. Now go back and tap on Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. This setting reduces animations and movement across the system. So instead of flashy transitions and depth effects, everything becomes more stable and flat. Now go back to the main settings page and open Display and Brightness. Here you'll find the liquid glass option. Switch it from clear to tinted. This is the key step because it removes most of the transparency and replaces it with a more solid look. At this point, the effect is already almost gone. But if you want to completely kill it, switch your iPhone to dark mode. Dark mode removes the remaining shine and reflections, making the interface look cleaner, deeper, and way less distracting. Now take it one step further. Tap and hold anywhere on your home screen, then tap Edit, then Customize. Switch your app appearance to the dark style. This makes icons, widgets, and UI elements match the darker look and removes even more of that glassy feel. You can go even further. Tap and hold your lock screen, press Customize, then tap on the clock. At the bottom, switch from glass to solid. Now, even your clock has zero glass effect. Everything now looks clean, minimal, and distraction-free. Now, if I go back to the app library, look at the search bar again. No transparency, no glass, just a clean, solid design. Don't like the new iOS look? Then don't use it. If this helped you, you're going to love what's next. I share the best iPhone tips you didn't even know existed. Follow now and level up your iPhone.